and we make ourselves crazy wishing that we could change our past or wishing that other people will act a certain way. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about opinions versus facts. So pretty much what we're going to be looking at is just that top two line when I talked about the model last week. We're just going to look at the circumstance and thought. We're just going to look at the relationship between those two and we're going to dive deep into it, okay? So opinions versus fact, circumstance versus thought. If you can get yourself to distinguish between the two, you are way ahead of the game when it comes to a more managed mind. We as humans tend to be really, really bad at separating out the facts and the thoughts.
Oh no, these facts and opinions look so similar.
Don't worry about it. Happens all the time.
We really believe at times that our thoughts are facts. Like, it's just a fact that your professor is a dick. It's just a fact that job hunting sucks. It's just a fact that your dog is the most amazing being on this planet. I mean, I would agree with that, but... So let me tell you this story, okay? Okay, so I went to this party years ago, right? And this girl in particular, like near the door, like looked at me. And like she kind of looked me up and down, you know? And then I swear to God that she scoffed. And I was like, shit, okay. Is it really that obvious that I kind of like don't belong here? I mean, I guess I kind of don't because I don't know anybody here. She must know that I'm new, I guess. Man, I must be so,
maybe I'm just being really obviously like a poser. And then as I walked like towards closer to the room, I swear to God, she whispered to her friend while she was looking at me, okay? And like when she did that, I was just like, oh my God, I just want to die in a hole. Why did I come to this party? This is so freaking embarrassing. I must look like a complete fool because everyone must see what she sees.
Okay, so let me separate out the facts for you. 1, I was at a social gathering. 2, I knew 6 people there. 3, I made eye contact with a girl. That's it. Those are all the facts that are in that story. Can you see how much bullshit that we put on top of our facts? And this is actually a true story. Like, this is an actual story that happened to me. And then guess what? Later on in the night, that girl came up to me and told me that she liked my outfit. By that point, I had already had a couple drinks. So I probably looked a lot friendlier and a lot nicer and a lot more welcoming than when I walked in, being all defensive. It's so, so important to understand that our circumstances aren't good or bad. They really are neutral. So circumstances is everything we can't control. It's our past, it's other people, it's the weather, and we make ourselves crazy wishing that we could change our past or wishing that other people will act a certain way. The weather too, that's all we complain about is the weather. And actually, we can. And we can by changing the way we think about it. I used to hate my childhood, and now I love it. I am so grateful for the childhood that I had. I completely changed my past because of the way I think about it now. You get to choose how you want to think about your circumstances. I used to think I was disadvantaged because of my childhood. Now I feel like I have very many advantages because of it. My childhood showed me what to appreciate, what to really appreciate in life, and I feel like I'm so much stronger because of it. You get to choose how you think about your circumstances. And I'm not saying it's easy, I'm not saying it's immediate at all, but it's definitely within your possibility. And there are many things that you will decide to keep choosing to think that way. Like, for example, if my pet dies, I'm not gonna want to think a new thought. I actually want to think sad thoughts, and that is what I would have naturally thought anyway. But at least this way, I am deliberately choosing it again. There's just so much power in knowing that I'm choosing my thoughts and I'm choosing my emotions. So yeah, I don't want to be happy about my pet dying. So I'm going to keep thinking sad thoughts that I want to have. That is our choice. So you guys, when you're practicing using the model, in that C line, the circumstance line, it has to be a fact. That is non-negotiable whatsoever. It has to be stripped down just to the facts. There shouldn't be any adjectives, so there shouldn't be anything like the words beautiful or nice or happy, like describing somebody as happy or sad because somebody else might not agree. So this is something that everyone has to agree. If you took it to court, it could be proven in court. So it has to be just the facts. So you can't put in there, my friend is being a bitch. Okay? What you have to put is exactly what happened, like word by word. So you have to put, my friend said that they didn't like my shoes. You have to put the facts. And then my friend is being a bitch is the thought. So seriously, I really, really recommend that you get amazing at separating out facts. Like just that skill alone is so, oh my God, it's so relieving just to be able to be like, oh my God, I don't have to like worry so much. And it's just being able to live in this, like, there's just so much less drama, so much less worry, so much less like uncontrollable emotions if you can just get really good at finding out exactly the facts. And sometimes it's really funny, actually, when you get good at this, to see how little or how short a fact really is in comparison to all the other shit that we pile on top of it. So please comment on this video if you need help with a fact or a circumstance, if there's anything that you are confused about, please email me. Or comment on this video. Please give this a thumbs up if this helped you in any way. If there's a Discord group, if there's people that you want to chat with about stuff like this. And yeah, okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!